So while I was playing with the Jeep a while ago, I was thinking, well, maybe I ought to run a compression check on it. And then I asked myself the question, well, what if the compression check shows it's really low and you need a new engine? And I thought, spend a bunch of money on a new Jeep motor or rebuild one of them 283 Chevy motors I got in the back of the barn there. Run the exhaust pipes right up through where the hood is, because we ain't never going to drive it on the road again. That'd be funner. That'd be funner and cheaper probably than building a new 258 Jeep motor. Oh, the joy. But anyway, the Jeep gave us an immense bit of joy today. Bless its little heart. So it's blessing my little heart. And that's good. And I'm going to put my tools away and put this gas away and put this starter fluid away and put these wrenches away and things like that. I was going to squirt some more oil under the Jeep today and start doing some body work, cutting some door panels and things of that nature. But I used up so much of my day out there with that Jeep that I don't know. I don't even know what time it is, but I don't know. Maybe it's too late in the day to start a big project out here. Maybe it's not. My feet ain't totally froze. They're just only a little bit froze. So, I mean, that's a good thing. I don't think there's any point in keeping those old, fouled spark plugs. I think I can put them out into the garbage can. And yeah, so do that, do this. Somebody made a comment the other day. I was talking about doing fluid film, and they were talking about they use a larger compressor, one with more horsepower. That's not right. One that gets about 175 pounds of pressure. I've got a small one, only goes up to about 100. And I agree with them. That would probably give you a lot better spray. I tried the other day spraying some of that fluid film through a hose to try to get it up in my frame, and it didn't have enough pressure to go up in there. And I was thinking, well, dang, it would work better with a bigger compressor. Now I've got that Craftsman compressor right there, and it does a better job, but it's getting sensitive to these main winters, and I've seen it overheating the cylinders on the compressor head recently. So I think I'm not going to do that as long as it's freezing or below. I was thinking I might do, I've got several jugs of old motor oil out there that I could blend in with what's in these containers of the New Hampshire oil, what do they call that? New Hampshire oil stuff. And it would get rid of that stuff, and it would kind of clean out the guns and stuff, sort of. I might do that. And then I'm going to come back around to working. See, this is pretty messy stuff here. Quite a process. Sort of like a science project you wish you hadn't got into, you know. But, you know, I'm getting back around to the place where I'm going to be ready to put the quarter panel on this and redo the door. Oh, let's see, I'm going to want to put that back on the Jeep. All right, I'll cut y'all off while I do a few maintenance things here. I love y'all. Appreciate you hanging with me. Have a great day, whether you want to or not. Bye.